Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Amanda, if that's you here. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of your company and generate some more exposure online through Google. Now, there's a couple key factors that are needed. I'm sure you know some of these or most of this. Bear with me. The good stuff is coming. Content, backlinks, and citations. Now, you understand, obviously, every time you type something here into the search bar of Google, these are considered keywords. And Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria for what was typed in or what services somebody's looking for. It's called search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords and then categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Typically, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition or the number of keywords that are needed. So I know that you're out of Creedmoor, so I typed in plumber Creedmoor, North Carolina. I did not see you on the first page. I do not see Plumb V anywhere. So I wanted to also touch on a few more things. 10 best plumbers, that doesn't count. Yellow pages, that's not an organic rank. Creedmoor plumber, yes. BBB, Yelp, Angie. So, of course, we understand this is the map area or the map pack, and your Google business profile and the area that you cover is directly connected to citations. Citations is anything, name, address, and phone number that mirror your business profile. Right here, the service area that you cover with the correct citations and content would get you put within this ranking for the map structure. Underneath the map is where the organic rank takes place through your content and backlinks as well. Excuse me. And it's important to get seen here. Obviously, nobody usually goes past the first page of Google, so you want to generate local traffic and create more leads and sales through the map as much as you can and rank organically on the first page to be seen. Um, of course, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, things, citations are some of those directories. Once Google sees your business being referenced more than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value and move up the rank structure. So we do have your website, and you do cover a lot of service areas from what I see here. So I just randomly picked a few places. I picked Cedar Grove, Oxford, and Creedmoor. Cedar Grove, you are not on the map and you are not within the first page of Google. I also checked Oxford, Plumber Oxford. You are not here either. No, so we don't have you here either. And again, of course, I tried Creedmoor. That's where you're from. You should be right here. And you are not. So I started to wonder why, what is going on. With your website, I have a tool that I can use. It's called Ahrefs, and I can see what's going on behind closed doors and how a business is ranking. Backlinks, like I mentioned, are an important part of the rank structure. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your site from another one. This is how Google uses to build endorsements and trust in your business. This shows them trust in your business. This is a ranking factor. Not all backlinks are created equal. For example, you would not want a pizza or ice cream or something down the street referring back to you that is not a plumbing company. It doesn't carry as much weight or power. So we start to come in here and see that you do want strong domain rank and traffic. One thing I wanted to look in was what is going on. So I checked out to see if there's any broken backlinks. It's 14 backlinks that are broken. These domains are not referring and kicking back to you. So that is hurting a little bit right there for you. Again, I wanted to take a look at the fact that you have 807 keywords but you're only generating 78 views a month in traffic. So that being said, I took a competitor, Mike's Plumbing, out of Fayetteville, just to kind of give you an idea there. Mike's Plumbing in Fayetteville, he has 29 backlinks, 18 referring domains, 43 keywords, bringing him 340 views per month. That is generating a lot of exposure. Now you want to keep in mind these keywords, the search volume per month of these phrases collectively total together through what people are searching for in the search bar of Google. You want your content, new keyword. You want Google to pull up your site when these are typed in. This is the relevance. This is the rank structure. I mean, you can see drain pipe installation Durham 80 times, drain connection 100 times, tankless water heater repair near me 1,000 times. You know, that's excellent. Collectively, you should have a lot of views through what's going on here, 807 keywords, but your traffic isn't there. So you are not ranking, you're not getting enough exposure. Something is wrong. And considering that you cover all of these areas, and I just randomly typed in 2 or 3, and you're nowhere to be seen. So there's something, there's some issues with your content. Maybe it's the service area that you're covering, your Google business profile isn't geared right. You're losing out on a lot of business. And that's typically not normal. And also you have broken backlinks and another thing that I wanted to show you perhaps was also as well with your referring domains. I did find this out. We have 69 domains. You want a strong domain rank and you want some fair traffic. When you start scrolling all the way down to the bottom and you get to the second page, bear with me, I know this is a bit long here, but most of these domains are dead in the water with zero traffic. So that is also a ranking factor that is causing some issues for you guys with the amount of area that you cover in your service areas. You should be pulling in a lot more traffic than that. With that being said, I just wanted to reach out and let you go. You may or may not have already known that. Either way, I had noticed that, and I like to help businesses succeed, and I thought I would share this information with you. If you found it useful, we could definitely talk. That wouldn't be a problem at all. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day.